Okay, so here's practice 2. Okay, multiple motion. So I want to do red and blue cars. Okay, so red starts at a position of, okay, that's 1, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 meter, and moves in a positive direction, right, because the slope is positive. Okay, and then comparatively, red is faster than blue. See how red slope is steeper? So I'm just going to call red to be so-called quickly. Okay, and then blue starts at a position of 4 meters and moves in a positive direction. Okay, slower or slowly, something that shows that that one is not as quick as red. Okay. All right. If I want to find their velocities, I can find their slopes. Okay. So I'm just going to use, let's do red first, I guess. So red is going to be 0, 1. And then let's look for another nice point. This looks like a nice one. 2, 7. Okay. All right, so red is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I'm going to go 7 minus 1 meters, right? That's my y's. And then 2 minus 0 seconds. So that's 6 meters in 2 seconds for a velocity of 3. Okay, if we wanted to write red's math model, it doesn't ask for it here, okay, but it would look like this, okay? So you might practice writing that. Okay, all right, so blue, let's see what we've got for blue. We have 0, 4, and let's do 3, 7. Looks like a good point. Yeah, 3, 7, okay? All right, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I've got 7 minus 4 over 3 minus 0. So that's 3 meters in 3 seconds, or a velocity of 1 meter per second when I divide that. Okay, and if I wanted to write blue's math model, it would look like this. Okay, I'm going to fill in the velocity and the initial position. Okay, all right, if we wanted to do something else for spicy, okay, in this one, let's just maybe focus on here, right? This is going to be their meeting point, all right? So we really want to take a look at that. And there are ways we can calculate it, which we'll maybe do next week in the summative, okay? But for now, we're just going to kind of look at that. That looks like that's about in the middle, okay? So if this is, I think it looks like this is 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8. I would say that crosses at 1.5 seconds, okay? And about 5.5 meters, okay? So I would say they meet at a time of 1.5 seconds and a position of 5.5 meters. Okay. All right. That is practice 2.